A frequently asked question I receive from parents all the time, and so does our poor PTSA president, is how do I see Canvas for my child? And it is confusing. So, this short video is meant to show you the directions on how to get there. So, the first thing to know is Canvas is also known as MyMCPS Classroom. Canvas is the product the MCPS purchases and then they rebrand it. And the second thing to know is that you actually don't go to anything related to Canvas. You're going to go under ParentVue, which you've used to check your child's grades. You've also gone there potentially to register them for school sports or some other things. So make sure you go to ParentVue first. Then you're going to log in. You're going to see my ParentVue account. I have two children in MCPS. One is a sixth grader at North Bethesda Middle School. A second is a seventh grader at North Bethesda Middle School. Before I log in, I want to warn you, you're going to be jealous. Yes, I have the world's cutest kids. And, nothing against your kids. My kids are cuter. And secondly, blame my wife. She's the reason why these kids are so darn cute. So let's log in. I'll show you the proof. And there it is. The world's cutest kids. Chloe and Bobby. Chloe's a sixth grader at North Bethesda. Bobby is a seventh grader at North Bethesda. But back to our point about trying to get into Canvas, where you want to go under ParentVue is on the left-hand side. It says Parent Resources. Click on that. And what you'll see is then a link to My MCPS Classroom, which, as I said, is Canvas. So now I'm going to click on this, and it won't matter if you have more than one kid which link, because it'll show you all of the classes for all of your children once you log in. So right now I'm logged into North Bethesda Middle School, and when I come over here to courses, it'll show me courses for both Bobby and Chloe, at least what it can fit in this space. So if you don't see all of your kids' classes, or if you don't see um, all of your all of your children in there, just know that all you have to do is scroll down and come over here to all courses. And when you do that, it'll show you every course in Canvas where you are an observer. And that's what your role is as a parent. You can only observe. And something that you should know is when you put a star next to something here, that will then change what shows up under courses. So notice I just put a star for these two math classes. This is Bobby's math class. This is Chloe's math class. Now when I click on under courses, right now it's just showing me Bobby. To be honest with you, I can't explain it. But just know that if you have a child where the class is not showing up here for any reason, you can always just click under all courses. And to show you what I mean, if I want to look at Chloe's math class right here, I just click on it there. And it's going to bring me inside, and then whatever an observer can see, and that's all you'll be able to do is see, you won't be able to do anything, it will show up for you. So for this class, I'm able to see announcements, I'm able to see modules. There's a link to Google Drive, but it won't let you do anything. And then beware of grades, because there's all kinds of issues with looking at grades within Canvas. That's for both students and parents to beware. Grades are not the most accurate within here. This should only show you grades that a teacher would actually grade within my MCPS classroom. So if they do anything paper and pencil, if they do anything outside of Canvas assigned by a teacher, their grades will not be reflected here. So that's why you always want to come back to ParentVue if you want to check grades for it. But that's how you can see Canvas. As a parent, you have to go through the ParentVue login and then click on Parent Resources, and then you should be able to navigate to your child's grades. Start working on your kids' cuteness, because my kids are cuter.